Hi friends, welcome to my channel Kids Learn Zone. Today my topic is I am sentences for kids. I am happy. I am shy. I am sad. I am good. I am smart. I am confident. I am healthy. I am confused. I am surprised. I am a doctor. I am a girl. I am strong. I am brave. I am excited about my birthday party. I am enjoying the sunny weather today. I am going to the zoo next weekend. I am a boy. I am 10 years old. I am sitting. I am sentences. Hope you like my topic. I am. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel.